Are you ready to upgrade your laundry routine with smart, efficient, and fabric-friendly technology? Meet the LG 9kg AI Direct Drive fully automatic front-load washing machine FHP 1209Z5M, designed for modern households that value performance and convenience. Why choose the LG FHP 1209Z5M? Struggling with stubborn stains, delicate fabrics, or allergy-prone laundry? This washing machine combines AI Direct Drive technology and steam wash to deliver unmatched cleaning results while being gentle on clothes. Top features: 9 kg capacity, perfect for large families or heavy laundry loads. AI Direct Drive technology automatically detects fabric type and adjusts wash settings for optimized care. Steam and allergy care eliminates 99.9% of allergens, making it ideal for sensitive skin. 6-motion Direct Drive DD simulates hand washing movements to clean thoroughly while protecting delicate fabrics. Wi-Fi enabled, control and monitor your laundry remotely with the Smart ThinQ app. 5-star energy rating, saves electricity and reduces your utility bills. Stylish middle black design, a sleek and modern addition to your home. The AI technology makes laundry easier by automatically choosing the best cycle, while steam washing ensures deeper cleaning and germ removal. Why it stands out? With its smart features, silent operation, and fabric-friendly care, this washing machine is more than an appliance, it's a laundry assistant. The LG 9kg fully automatic front-load washing machine is perfect for those who value intelligent cleaning, energy efficiency, and allergy care. It's a worthy investment for modern homes. What's your favorite feature of this washing machine? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more appliance reviews and home tips.